good morning. And boy, what a morning it's been. I'm gonna need probably 2 or 3 cups of this today. Let me tell you, my morning so far. Okay, I woke up like I always do. Got out of bed and I started to walk to the bathroom. I know, TMI. I got as far as the doorway of my bedroom and I noticed something sitting on the floor in the doorway. I thought it was a turd. I thought my dog pooped in the house and I was about to get mad. So I turned back around, went to my side of the bed, grabbed a tissue, because I keep a box of tissues next to the bed because I have really bad allergies. Grabbed a tissue, went back, bent down, about to pick it up when I realized it was a dead mouse. Yeah, my cat Sky apparently caught a mouse and killed it and left it in the doorway of my bedroom. Oh, gross. I almost stepped on it. So anyway, I've cleaned it up. I've taken out the trash. It's all taken care of. Oh, not what you want to wake up to first thing in the morning before you've had coffee, when you're barely awake, your eyes are barely open. Oh my God, if I would have stepped on that, I probably would have threw up. Ugh, yeah. Ish to poo. Okay, so today the reason I picked up the camera wasn't to talk about a dead mouse. I know, I'm sorry, gross. I picked up the camera because I wanted to vlog my day. I got a notification from Amazon saying that the shoe bench that I had ordered is arriving today, and I thought today would be a great day to pick up the camera and vlog putting the shoe bench together. So that's what we're gonna do. But first, I found a hack on TikTok that I want to try out. I thought it would be really, really good. It is a 2-ingredient recipe on how to make an Oreo cookie mug cake. I love Oreo cookies and I happen to have some in the house, so I'm gonna do this. They say 8 Oreo cookies in a large mug. I'm not gonna use a large mug because I think that is just way too many cookies at one time. So I'm going to use a smaller mug and I'm just going to half the recipe. So I'm going to put 4 Oreo cookies in my mug. And then you need milk. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 cookies in there. And then you take your milk and you fill the mug to where you're covering the Oreos halfway. So I don't know if you can see that. Actually, I could pick up the camera here. Something kind of like that. I hope. I don't know. This is new to me. Then you're gonna take a spoon or a fork and you want to crush up the Oreos in your milk. And they don't have to be completely, but just not a solid cookie anymore, so it'll look like cookie soup. Okay, now you put this in the microwave for 75 seconds. And we wait. Should look something like that. They did say you may need to add another 15 to 30 seconds depending on your microwave. My microwave is pretty powerful. It's brand new. So I think we're good, and it looks like the consistency that it should be. So they want you to let it sit for about a minute to solidify. They don't want you to stir it. So we'll let it sit and then we'll give it a taste. It's been a minute. It looks like it's solidified. Now to try it. Smells good. Looks like a brownie. It's really hot. Okay. Oh, hot. Oh my God. That is life-changing. It's so good. Who would have thought? Oh my God. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. Holy smokes! That is so good, so easy, and really quick. It's something you could do anywhere as long as you have a microwave. So, I mean, if you're on vacation in a hotel room and you need a little sweet something, pack of Oreos and a little bit of milk, you can make yourself a mug brownie. Holy smokes, that is so delightful. Wow, I'm gonna go finish that and I'll pick up the camera a little later when that shoe bench gets here and we'll put it together. I can't wait. Echo, turn on window light.
Okay.
I'm still waiting for the shoe bench to get here. It's actually coming regular USPS mail, but Amazon just dropped off 2 boxes and I'm not sure what's in these boxes because I'm not expecting the stuff from Amazon, the other stuff that I had ordered, until later in the week. So let's open this and see what we got. So wasn't expecting to do an unboxing except for the shoe bench. So bonus. I know. Thank you. Thank you for the notification alert. What the heck is that? Okay, stop. Oh, there's something else in here. The heck? Oh! Alright. Just put that there. These are tacks. I needed some gold, like, rivet-looking tacks for a project Pete is working on. And there they go. There's also, looks like a tape measure in there. That's interesting. So some decorative rivet-looking tacks. Excellent. I'll set that on the floor. Is this my area rug? This is so not what I was expecting when I ordered the area rug. I probably should have read the description like 3 times. I was expecting like a big, heavy, rolled up rug. This is interesting. It's really soft. Oh, okay. Yeah, it is my area rug. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to vacuum my carpet before I put it in its place, but I think this is gonna work really nice. It's nice and thick. That's what she said. Oh, Lordy. Next box. This is a heavy one. What's in the box? Let's not slice ourselves. That would suck. Come on. Come on. I think I need to get a new knife. It's starting to get dull. Oh. Okay. Cat food. Sky's gonna be happy. We've got, oh, this is from Merida. I bought a Scottish, what do you call it, like tartan plaid scarf. And I'll wear it around her waist when I cosplay as her. This is really nice. Ooh, it's cashmere feel. Italian design, dry clean or hand wash. Fancy. Let's get this sticker off of there. We don't need that. Oh, it's super soft. That's perfect. Love it. This is a new shirt for Peter Pan in sprout green or lime green. Much, much better. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so pleased. That's a great green. And the last item I'm going to save as a surprise because it's going to be for a cosplay series I have coming up and I don't want to spoil it. So excited. All right, well, that is it. I am still waiting for the shoe rack. I'll be back when it gets here. I just finished vacuuming and I put the area rug in its place and that looks good. Perfect. That's right where I needed it to cover the little spot in the carpet that's ugly. Wow. I like the gray. I wanted to get black, but I have a white dog that sheds, and that would be a nightmare to keep up with. So I guess I could have got a brown, which would have been a more neutral color, but I think gray is nice. It's just a temporary for now until we can save up enough to get the carpet replaced. I want to replace it with hardwood flooring. So hopefully we can do that by the end of this year. We'll see. If we get that stimulus money that they keep talking about, that would be a big, big help in getting hardwood floors in here. I want to DIY. I want to go to Home Depot and do it ourselves. I think that would be a lot of fun. It'd be a lot of work, especially because all of that stuff would have to be boxed up and moved, because everything on the carpet would have to go away so that we can get the carpet out of here. Oh, what a nightmare. But at the same time, it would give me a chance to dust everything and then put it back and go through it as I put it back. It'd be kind of a fun thing to do just for memory's sakes. Anyway, I like it. I like the carpet. It's nice. It's very fluffy. It's so fluffy. The shoe bench is here. So I am going to open it up and we're going to get busy putting it together. I don't know what kind of tools I will need. We'll find out once we get it open. Hi, are you going to help me? Hi, Shorty. Oh my gosh, this knife is balls. Oh, good grief. Watch out, okay? I don't want to cut you. I don't want to cut myself either. Really don't need to be going to the hospital. Okay. Put that blade back so we don't hurt ourselves. Hopefully this is easy to put together. Okay, here's the bench. That's kind of ugly. I thought it was gray. I thought that the bench cushion was gray. Huh. Oh well. That's fine. I can always put a cover on it or something. Okay. Here's the top of it. It opens up. That's pretty. Okay. This rug is so soft. Okay, here's some legs. She's got legs. Instructions. Alrighty. Let's get this stuff out of the way. I'm gonna have to go back out to the garbage can and recycle everything. Alright. Where to begin? Oh, okay. Instructions. Let's do it right. I probably am going to need some sort of a tool. Oh, maybe not. Blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Okay, step 1. Before assembly, make sure the screw holes are aligned before assembly to avoid unnecessary panel damage. Let's see, it looks like this. Gonna need this and these. Let's see which one is which. Does it matter? I think it goes like this. Okay. Screw. Okay, where's that little thing? Okay. So this goes onto here. That's not a screw, that's the tool. Oh my goodness, okay. We're professional. It's done. It looks really nice, really sturdy, and it was really easy to put together. It just started to hurt my wrist and I kept dropping the little hex screw thing. I have an extra screw which has me kind of concerned, but I've looked everywhere and there's nothing missing. I mean, there's holes here if I wanted to add another shelf, but there wasn't another one provided. So we have an extra screw. I'll just put it in this little bag with the little screwdriver. And here is the cushion. I seriously thought the cushion was gray, which would have been really great with the gray carpet that I just got. But it's okay. It's not too bad. So there it is. And then this opens up. I'm thinking I'm gonna put winter hats and gloves in the little opening area. And then shoes. And this is gonna go by the front window. Okay, I put it by the front window. I think it looks really good there. It doesn't stick out too far. There's still plenty of space to get through from the coat rack and everything. So I'm going to put some of my shoes on there and we'll see what that looks like. And there we go. Not too bad. So after winter's over, I'm going to take my winter boots back upstairs and put them in the closet so my hiking boots can go there and then my slippers can go down there, and that leaves a shelf for Pete. Not too bad. I really like it. Okay, I just put a couple hats in there, a pair of gloves, I have an umbrella, and then I have our ice grippers for our shoes when it snows. Fits in there perfectly. And the lid closes. Nice. So the main reason I got this was to get more organized, have a place for our shoes for when we come in, sit down, take our shoes off and all that. Plus, it gives Shorty a stable bench to jump on to look out the front window, which she really enjoys doing. She doesn't like jumping on the cat tree because it wobbles a little bit. So I'm going to go get Shorty and see what she thinks of the shoe bench. All right, Shorty, let's check out the shoe bench. Look at that. That's for you, honey. You get to jump up and look out the window. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Shorty, come here. It's going to take a minute for her to realize what it's for. There we go. It's a place to sit and you can look out the window. Hi, baby. Now I'm testing it out, and it's very sturdy. It doesn't wobble. I did good. Woohoo! I think I'm going to end the video here. I've been waiting all day for the bench. It's here. It's put together. I feel accomplished. So now I'm going to go get myself some dinner, take a shower, get ready for bed, and just relax the rest of the night. I may watch... what am I going to watch? I think I'm going to watch an episode of Charmed. Been trying to get back into that show again. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.